Hello everyone. Thank you for joining the implementation keynote. I'm Swamy Narayana. I'm the GM for Customer Experience Programs within Dynamics Engineering team. The programs we cover include Fast Track for Implementation Guidance, the Advanced Cloud Engineering for Support Services, and we also manage the Customer Advisory Board, the influential voice for the product roadmap development. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share the importance of setting a strong foundation for implementation and the resources we make available so that you can be successful in your implementation journey. Achieving value from Dynamics starts with a careful planning exercise. As the industry statistics show, many organizations underestimate the complexity or the resources required for a successful implementation. As a result, many projects take longer or many times fail to deliver the value they intended. We understand the importance of a successful implementation as a first step for business transformation with the power of Dynamics. With that mission in mind, the customer experience team optimizes and enables your customer journey. It's important that we follow the best practices. Most important, with the velocity at which technology evolution happens in the cloud. We have worked with thousands of organizations to successfully go live with Dynamics 365. The learnings from this implementation has culminated in the creation of a prescriptive guidance framework, Success by Design. The Success by Design is designed around three core principles: early detection, proactive guidance, and predictive success. And is grounded around fundamental strong design and architecture, use of product capabilities as they're intended, and following the best practices for the industry. We want every organization to choose an implementation experience that's best suited for them, following the Success by Design or similar guidelines provided by our implementation partner. Our goal is to make every individual and every organization successful. For that reason, we make these resources and tools available as a self-service model or through direct engagement with Fast Track. At Microsoft, we're constantly innovating to improve time to value with Dynamics 365. The Success by Design offers a set of tools and resources that can be broadly classified into four categories. The first one, Tech Talk, which is an on-demand video-based content to upskill your product, functional knowledge, the capabilities that we offer, as well as implementation practices. These tech talks cover both functional and technical topics. Recently, we have released some of the large, complex topics as a series with multiple sessions. One of my favorite is performance testing. This tech talk brings a set of unified guidelines covering CRM and ERP product to simulate end-to-end processes across these workloads. If you haven't checked it out, please do so. Also subscribe to Tech Talks so you can stay current and relevant with the latest information on Dynamics 365. The Dynamics 365 implementation guide is another great resource that you can leverage. This guide provides a high-level set of activities and tools needed for a successful implementation. This guide is available electronically, so you can access it anytime to get the latest edition. We are also publishing a set of open source toolkits that will enable you to implement faster, easier, at higher quality with lower risk. The examples in this category include the tool we have published for creating entity definition, doing transformations using ADF templates to publish Dynamics data into Azure Data Lake. We have also published a tool for bootstrapping the data for deploying dual write for process orchestration across CRM and ERP. Last, but the most important thing I'm excited about is Dynamics 365 implementation portal we just launched. This portal brings contextual implementation guidance and risk mitigation practices. Spanning the entire portfolio of product, you will get product-specific guidance based on the scope of the implementation and the stage of the implementation. If you have not checked, please sign up, provide feedback, and help us improve. We have more resources planned that brings the data, the telemetry we have, the actionable insight powered by AI, so that your project teams can collaborate more effectively. I am sure you're using most of this today. If not, please take advantage of this and make implementation successful. Thank you for joining me for this session. Thanks for attending the conference and for all the business you bring to Dynamics 365. Have a wonderful conference and enjoy the rest of the sessions.